Imagine a map of life itself, not a map of roads or cities, but a map of energy. Thousands of years ago, Chinese philosophers studying nature developed a symbolic system called the Bagua, meaning 8 trigrams. These trigrams represent fundamental patterns found throughout reality: heaven, earth, fire, water, thunder, wind, mountain, and lake. The Bagua appears in the I Ching, one of the oldest philosophical texts in the world, and later became central to Feng Shui, the practice of harmonizing our environments with the flow of life energy known as Qi. The Bagua is often drawn as an octagonal map, dividing life into 8 energetic areas: wealth, fame, love, family, health, creativity, knowledge, and career. Each direction corresponds to an element and a theme. Wealth relates to growth and expansion. Career aligns with water and flow. Knowledge reflects the stillness of the mountain, symbolizing reflection and wisdom. Practitioners overlay the Bagua onto homes or rooms to observe how environments support or block these life energies. But the deeper lesson is this: the Bagua is not really about furniture. It is about awareness. Ancient traditions understood something modern psychology is rediscovering. Our surroundings quietly shape our thoughts, emotions, and choices. So take a moment tonight and observe your space. Which areas of your life feel vibrant and which may be asking for balance? Sometimes the smallest shift in your environment can create a powerful shift in your energy. Tell me in the comments which area of your life feels ready for renewal right now.